So the next part says uh, modify the name of any user and store it back into the dictionary. So which user do we want to change? That we can get by the Aadhaar number. Okay, so the Aadhaar number is the key that we want to search. All right, and if it matches, then we basically change its name or any other thing. And if it is wait, we have to modify the name. Yes, we modify its name, and if it is not found, then we write not found. Okay, so modify the name of a person. Okay, so how do we do that? We take as input n is equal to int input okay, not the name, actually the Aadhaar. Enter the Aadhaar Aadhaar number to modify. Okay, so after we get that Aadhaar number, what we do is there is a get method. So dict one dot get. Okay, in this get method, what we do is we pass in the number that we want to search, the key that we want to search, and the return value. Okay, if it is not found. Okay, so as you can see, in dictionary one dot get, what we specified was the Aadhaar number. Okay, Aadhaar number, if it is found, then it will be returned. If it is not found, then -1. All right, and what we have to search is if minus is if it is not found. All right, if the name is not found, then what we do is we will print the record is not found. Okay, so print record not found. Okay, and if you have guessed it, there will be else part. Okay, so else is if we get the record. So if we get the record, we will take first the name that the user wants to enter. Okay, so that will be enter name. Okay, enter the new name. After we take the new name, what we have to do is we have to change the name of that person. Okay, so DICT1 is the entire dictionary. As you can see over here, this is the entire dictionary. Okay, so we have to give this particular key as the searching index. Okay, so we have to search where is the key n is the key, isn't it? Yes, n. So n. Okay, this key that we want to find is what will give us index over here, colon. All right, no sorry, this index, and inside it uh, the value that will be written is this one, right? It is the list, but we don't want the list, we want the name, right? And name is the zeroth index. So zeroth index, right? Zeroth index of the value is name, and that we want to change as the new name. Okay, so that will be equal to name, right? And now when we print out our dictionary, so print dict1, now we should get the updated dictionary. Okay, so again we'll try it with the only one input, okay, just because it will save our time. Okay, so this one data for person 1, 1 2 3 4, Aadhaar, name, age, weight, alright. Person to modify, let's 1 2 3 4 is the Aadhaar number to modify, and it did not ask me for input, it simply kept it blank. Okay, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? DICT1 of what would we get? Here it did not give me a prompt, but then it enter the new name, it did not actually give me a prompt, or maybe I clicked 2 times. Let me run it again. I think I clicked on it 2 times. Sorry, not 1 2 3 4, only one person. Then 1 2 3 A B C 23 32, enter, modify the person is 1 2 3, enter. Okay, so I guess I Siri, what I actually did was I accidentally clicked on it twice, so that was the error. Okay, alright, so accidental error. Okay, so now what do we do with the next one? The next one is enter a new record in a dictionary. Alright, so what we have established over here basically is that it is dictionaries are mutable. Okay, so dictionaries are mutable. Alright, now we come to the next part, which is enter a new record in the dictionary. Right, so to enter a record in a new record in a dictionary, since it is not it does not have an index. Okay, what we simply have to do is we have to create a dictionary and add it into this list. Okay, So what you can see over here is whatever we get, just the value we have to add. Let's see the code. So we already have one. We'll be adding one more to it. All right. So adding values, adding data to dictionary. Now we take a equal to a, sorry, it's in a list, so a for a in, and then we take the input. Enter Aadhaar name, age, weight for the new user. So I guess that I have over here. Where do I have? Okay, let's just print it out. Enter data for new person. Put a colon and this. So enter this, and I guess we have to split it again. So dot split. Okay, so now we have a list containing all the values. So what we have to do is we have to create a new dictionary. So dict2 equal to, and this one will be a dictionary which has a of 0 as the key, and it has a of 1 colon the n as the values. Okay, sorry, I forgot int over here, so it is an integer. Okay, so now since we have it, what we can do is basically add it, okay, to the first dictionary. So dict1 dot update, and what do we want to update is dict2. This second dictionary should be added to the first dictionary, right? And as usual, we will print the first dictionary. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'll put a print statement here. A print here as well. Okay, alright, so let's see this in action. So here, number of people is 1 person, data 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 36 63. Enter. Aadhaar number to modify 1 2 3 4. Name is DAN, and data for new person. So that will be 4 3 2 1. Then 45 54. Oh, what happened? Unhashable type list 1 colon is, oh sorry, it had to be a colon. I wrote as a comma, so this has to be a colon. Okay, and save it again. let's run it again. Okay, one number of persons, data for person 1 2 3 4 3 34, Aadhaar number 1 2 3 4 to modify DAN, and after that the new person will be 4321, then and 45 4. So as you can see over here, this was the old data, okay, 43 34, and then this is the new data that is entered. Okay, so that is successful modification in the sense addition to a dictionary, right? The last thing the last thing now to see is how to delete a specified record from the dictionary. Okay, so of course what you will be using is the key to delete. Okay, we have our key. Let's see deletion, deleting data from dictionaries. Okay, so to delete the data from dictionary, what do we have to do is we of course have to have the Aadhaar number. Aadhaar excuse me. The Aadhaar number, which is an integer, okay, and input, enter Aadhaar to delete. Okay, so after that we want what do we want is to delete, and for deletion there is a method in dictionary which is called as pop. Okay, and this pop this pop method will delete the data of the data matching the key. Okay, so we'll give Aadhaar number as the input to match, and it should delete it, and after that we'll print out our dictionary, which is the original dictionary. Okay, so this is the last of the program. Let's see this in a run. Okay, I'll just scroll this a little bit to the upside so you can see this. Number of people will take 3. Person 1 1 2 3 4. I will be the person 64 78. The second person 4321. Then 34 43. The next person is 2 3 4 5, and A B C D 87 78. So you can see we have all our data. Aadhaar number to modify, we'll write 2 3 4 5. The name we want, we'll give Panda, PANDA, Panda. Okay. After doing that, what do we have? We have successfully modified, so we already saw that the new person to be entered. Okay, so we have 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2. Then something else, then some 35 53 and enter. Okay, now the Aadhaar number to delete. Okay, since we have everything over here, let's try to delete this 2345. Okay, so 2345, enter, and now you can see the 2345 which was panda is not available over here. Okay, all right. So dictionaries, we saw this, what we saw just now is dictionaries, all right, and it is a very useful collection of data, all right, when you want that your index, you don't have need to have index. Okay, because adding and retrieving by use of index is tricky part, because you have to remember the index. That is when dictionaries are very helpful. Okay, so as we saw, if we knew the other number, we could fetch all the data types. Okay, so that is the most important distinguishing feature between all the other connections and dictionary. Okay, so we'll stop here, and I'll see you in the next practical. Thank you.